Welcome to the world of Ideogram AI, the ultimate tool that's giving Midjourney a serious run for its money. If you're looking to create stunning, professional-grade images with just a few clicks, then you've landed in the right place. Let me guide you through this game-changing AI tool. Open your browser and search for Ideogram AI. Click on the first website that appears. Once there, log in using your Google or Apple account. It's quick and simple. After logging in, you'll be prompted to create a username and profile. Go ahead, personalize your profile, and get ready to dive in. On the homepage, click Start Creating. On the left-hand side, you'll find all the tools you need: Home, Creations, Canvas, and more. Now, let's focus on creating. Click on the description button and type in the prompt for the image you want to generate. Adjust settings like magic prompt, aspect ratio, and visibility to match your vision. Choose your desired AI model and scroll down to explore additional settings such as auto, general, realistic, or design. Pick one that aligns with your creative needs, then hit generate. Sit back and let Ideogram work its magic. Once your image is ready, you'll see something that looks straight out of an anime movie. Absolutely stunning. Click on your generated image to explore more options. If you want to tweak your creation, click on the prompt, make edits, and regenerate it. This tool gives you full control over your designs. To view all your generated artwork, click on the Creations button on the left-hand side. This is your personal gallery where you can track all your masterpieces. Next, select the Canvas button. Here, you can view your image on a workspace, along with its details. While some features are premium, many are completely free. Click on the Remix button, adjust the image weight, and select specific areas you'd like to edit. Once done, hit the Download button to save your polished artwork. Finally, head back and click on the Ideogram icon. Here, you'll discover creations made by other users and even download them for inspiration. With Ideogram AI, your creative possibilities are endless. From editing to creating from scratch, this tool is packed with features that cater to beginners and pros alike. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and transform your imagination into reality. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.